In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail shortcut to your desktop. This simple yet effective step will help you access your email quicker and more efficiently, cutting down the time you need to spend opening a browser and logging in every time. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can do this in just a few moments. First, we're going to start by opening Google Chrome. This is important because the method we're using works specifically within the Chrome browser. Once your browser is open, type in the Gmail website URL or simply search for Gmail to navigate directly to the site. If you're not signed in, go ahead and log in with your usual credentials. You'll want to be fully logged in so you can create a shortcut to your actual inbox. After you're successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of your Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu icon. Click on these dots to open up the Chrome menu. Once there, you'll notice several options, but the one we're interested in is generally labeled as Cast, Save, and Share. That might be labeled More Tools if you're using an older version of Chrome. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that section. Now, one of the options you'll see is Create Shortcut, or, in some of the newer versions of Chrome, you might see Install Page as App. Click on this option and you'll be prompted with a new window. This prompt gives you the opportunity to name your shortcut. Gmail is the ideal choice here for simplicity and easy recognition on your desktop. This quick naming step helps keep your desktop organized. While you're at it, make sure you check the box that says Open as Window. This will allow your Gmail shortcut to open in a separate window, free of browser tabs and unnecessary clutter, making it a cleaner, more app-like experience whenever you access your email from the desktop. Finally, press the Create button, or it might be labeled as Install instead. And there you go. This action completes the process and places a Gmail shortcut directly onto your desktop. From now on, a simple double-click on this icon will take you straight to your inbox without having to navigate through your browser. And that's it. You've now successfully added a Gmail shortcut to your desktop, streamlining your email checks and allowing you to manage your time more effectively. If you ever decide you no longer need this shortcut, you can simply right-click and delete it as you would with any other desktop icon. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.